Hi, let me show you a coffee maker from Royal Catering. So whenever you need large quantities of this liquid of gods, this machine is for you. This particular model has a 10-liter capacity, so it will serve, well, 10 times 4, 40 cups of coffee. So it's great for a restaurant, on a breakfast buffet, in a hotel, also in conference rooms and, well, places alike. So let me just go through all the details. Well, first of all, you have this stainless steel construction with a really nice polish to it. Because it is put on a buffet, and normally you would assemble and disassemble the buffet according to your needs, there's a great feature that it has two handles on it with a plastic grip which doesn't heat up, so you can grab it even after the device has been working for quite a while. Just one thing to remember, you should always unplug it while wait for the liquid to chill to room temperature, and then you can carry it around safely. But if you have to, you can grab it even after long hours of service. The heart of the device, of course, is in the base. That's where the heating element is. It works with 1500 watts, so it's quite powerful and efficient. It makes the water boil really quickly. It will actually boil, it will heat it up to 85 degrees Celsius, which is absolutely enough for coffee. That's actually the optimal temperature for, well, roasted coffee. All right. In order to know how much liquid or water you need inside, there's this measuring pipe just in front. It has a certain allowance, so first of all, that's the first system that prevents overheating. So if the water goes below minimum level, there's still a little bit left, so the device will not overheat. Same with overfilling. Well, if you lift it up to the max, there's still a little bit of room left, and you should never overfill the device like completely, because when the water is boiling, when it heats up, it expands and may go over the edges. So that's another safety precaution. All right, how does it work? Basically, the heating element heats up the water. Inside there's a pipe, just like this one. So when the water heats up, it will go through that hole, through the filter, which is here, just like that. It soaks through the coffee and it extracts the actual coffee down to the main tank. So all you have to do, you just press the on and off switch, and when the green one lights up, well, that's when the coffee is ready. The minimum quantity for water for this particular model is 5 liters, so that's when the coffee machine works optimally. So let's just put this one inside. There's a special hole for the pipe. It fits only in one place. Let's put some coffee inside. And since we added, this is actually a very cool feature as well, because this is a solid filter. You will not need any paper filters ever. So all you have to use is just this and the basket. If it comes to quantity of coffee, well, it is unspecified, so you just have to figure it out. For the amount of water I have inside of the tank, I will just slightly cover just the bottom of the basket. Make sure you spread it quite evenly, so there's no holes poking through, just to make sure you evenly extract your brew, just like that. And just cover the lid, just like that. Put the lid on top. Since we got rid of all the parts, let's just turn it on, just like that. And let's have a white. In the meantime, let me just tell you, in the set you also have one of these included. That's a cleaning brush. That's for the pipe, which is inside that I showed you. If you are looking for one of these, just have a look at the website, because there's a range of these devices with different capacities, different sizes, different designs. So you'll definitely find the one that you need for your venue. Each and every one is being packed really well by the producer. They made sure nothing happens to it during transport. They put it in a really sturdy cardboard box. Let me just show you to it. Just like that, with lots of packaging material in it, bubble wrap and so on, so it won't get damaged. Also inside you will find an instruction manual, just like this one. please have a read, because there's a lot of useful information on how to prep the device for its first use, how to clean and operate it, and so on. So definitely worth having at least one look at it. Alright, that will take a couple of minutes for the water to boil and extract the coffee. So let's have a wait and I'll show you how the tap works. Alright, so the light is on, meaning the coffee is ready, so let's pour myself a cup. So back to the tap. The tap has two functions. So basically, if you pull it, it will lock itself in this position, meaning you have to remember to pull it back down. And if you press it, it will jump back up, so you can control how much you are pouring. That's how easy it is. Alright guys, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.